So this will try to be a quick tutorial on how to burn a ROM. In this case, the latest Baywatch code we want to get onto the game. So that's the there's a light here. This is the burner right here, and this is the chip taken out of Baywatch. And you see the window there. There'll be a label covering that chip. So you want to remove it because you're going to need to erase the chip so you can program it. And then on every chip, you can see the just the model. Yeah, that top line, the M. Will focus here. Doesn't want to focus, but whatever. You see that. So it's that number we're going to use in the software. You want to tell the software is called MiniPro. It comes with the burner. So first thing you want to be able to tell the software what chip you're using. So I'm going to go ahead and place the chip in the burner here. Oops. If I drop it on my lap, you can see which way to orient the chip. It shows you the notch going to the right. There's the notch. Just go ahead and seat that in. First legs matching up those first set of pins, and then just lock it down. Now the software will remember your last chips used, but first time running the software, you're going to go ahead here and pull down select your IC, and you're going to search and select. So in this case, this was a 27C512. Type in. And it's an STI. So now it pulled up the matches. So now the manufacturer or manufacturer, I choose ST. And then over here, it finally whittles down my searches. So I've started off with searching the chip ID, whatever you want to call it. Then pick the manufacturer of that chip. And then over here, I have a couple different chip options. 28 pin, or there's one with 32 pins. So counting up my legs, there's one row of 14 right there, so I know it's a 28 pin deal. So I'll go ahead and select. And then what I do is I pull down device, and let's do a blank check. Make sure that the chip did erase when you put it in your ultraviolet wiping thing. And we'll take a look. Oh, it's blank. Okay, cancel. And now we want to pick the, so we've told the software, what chip we have. Let's go ahead and tell it what to put on the chip, and we're going to load up the ROM update file, or the ROM file, whatever you want to call it. So we'll do open. And I have it right here. I just downloaded the latest code from Chad, and I open up that folder. I've extracted it. You download it as a zip file. You extract the zip, and the contents, you'll wind up with this bin file. So go ahead and open it, and on this screen I just click OK. And now I come back up to the device menu, and I choose to program. And then I tell it to program. So here it is programming. There you go. I just you can see it came up with an error halfway through. I've had that happen sometimes. I mean, it's probably just because it's going over a USB connection. Maybe I've got some downloads going on in the background. Maybe my system was a little slow. But I just said okay on the air, and I just pulled down the device and programmed it again, and it was successful. You know, it takes, you know, how long did it take? Yeah, that many milliseconds. So you can just press cancel to close, unlatch your chip from the burner, and go plug it in to your game.